everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to arrange this formula to make M the subject. So let's zoom into part A, and let me highlight it with green color. Well, step 1, it will be good for us to make sure that those terms without M on one side of this equation. What happened to the 3? What did Mr. Tan do? What should he do? Yes, if I'm going to minus 3 on both sides, 3 minus 3 equals to 0. And we don't really need to write 0. That's how I eliminate the 3 from the left-hand side. That is the reason why you have a minus 3 on the right-hand side now. Okay? And this half mn, how do I get rid of the half? You might wonder. Well, I could multiply by 2 on both sides of this equation, so that 2 times 1 over 2 will actually give me 1. So you will see this next, 2 times n minus 3. Last, how do I get rid of the n? This is m times n. Yes. I'm pretty sure you know this. If I divide by n on both sides, I'm left with this. And I have successfully made m the subject. And this is what it means. It means that on the left-hand side, there's only this letter m. Okay? So that will be the answer for part A. And find the value of n when n is negative 10. Well, now we just need to substitute the letter m with negative 10. So it does not matter, I repeat, it does not matter if you used this version of the equation or use the original version, both works. So I'm going to just use the original version, which would be half mn plus 3 equals to n to work on part B. Well, they tell me m is negative 10. So the next step, you will see Mr. Tan don't write m anymore. Instead, I'm going to write negative 10. And for this part, half times negative 10 will give me a value of negative 5. So we just need to solve for this equation. Mr. Tan don't like to have a negative value down there. So notice what Mr. Tan will do. I'm going to add 5n on both sides, so that this side here will be 0. 5n minus 5n is 0. And so the next line that you will see Mr. Tan write would be as such. I only have 3 here, but I will have n plus 5n. So my 3 is actually equals to, well, 1n plus 5n. Total how many n? Smart. 6n. Finally, the value of n would then be, I just need to divide by 6 on both sides. 3 divided by 6 is half. And I get my answer. You can also write 0.5 if you wish to. Well, this will be the answer for this question. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.